not have a baby?
See that? This crab.
It's pregnant.
Higher.
This crab is full of
Baby.
eggs.
Baby.
This August and September, the egg, the crab would have many a lot of eggs, and when you get them, we do not get them home. Just release them. Understand? Now.
Okay, I'm going up. You put it up later. Oh, it flipped up. That's
Now,
cool.
leave it there.
I see a hermit crab. You touch it, they're not.
Now, leave it there.
I lost.
It go away.
Oh yeah, it's right there.
Understand, boy? Go.
Boy, Quabby. Albert, don't catch it. Don't catch it. Why? Just don't catch it. Why? It's a hermit crab. Yeah, it's not yummy.
Now, you have the crab put in the bucket and bring to the science center. The crab run into here. Leave it there. Do not touch it.